Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. In this project, I'm going to be using mixed media paper. Then I'm spraying some water on that. Then I'm going to use this watercolor paints, which is from Angora, and I'm going to add this paint on the page. I'm adding just couple of colors, maybe three colors. And I'm going to blend it. It's a fun and easy project. So I'm adding this brown color and orange color and then little bit of yellow color. Then I'm going to slowly spread it. I love those watercolors when they spread it out a little bit. I keep adding this and the other color too in this. This is the watercolor that is called Angora. Now I'm going to add little bit of yellow in this. Then I'm going to do the splattering. I'm using both the colors. Now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to use this stamp, which is from Stampers Anonymous. So I'm going to add this in different areas. Then I'm going to add this number stamp. Then I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to do some splattering. I'm using white acrylic paint and I'm going to splatter it. Then now I'm going to dry this. And I'm going to use this die. I did the die cut using orange cardstock and I'm going to cut that. Then I'm going to use this as a focal point and then I'm seeing how I want to place it first. Then I'm going to use the glue and I'm going to stick this in this project. Then I'm going to add this pieces like after die cut. I'm going to add that and put it in the random places. So I'm going to add like that few of them. Then I'm going to add this focal point. Then now I'm going to make sure that everything is dry before I use anything. So I'm using the black pen, and I'm going to scribble a little bit. I love doing pen work also. Um, so now I'm going to add the coat and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. So, I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.